everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Viva Vista Yo-Yo by Big Bang Bandalore Yo-Yo. I just got a big mystery box from them, so big thank you to them. Let's get on with the review. Okay, so I have the Yo-Yo right here, and the first thing I have noticed after playing with it for a few days, I'm pretty sure it's bimetal because of the gold rims right there. And also, the design in the middle is pretty cute, pretty cool. And the width of the gap of the yo-yo isn't so great, so I don't think it's really that good for finger grinds. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna. Ooh, I think I need to lube it. I'm gonna quick try finger grinds. Yeah, this yo-yo is probably not the starter yo-yo that you want to get for finger grinds, but for overall play, it feels pretty heavy. It's a lot smaller of a yo-yo, so it's harder to hit more tricks. But the response pads are pretty good. I think they're silicone response pads. Yes, they are. I'm pretty positive it's not really... Okay. I'm pretty positive it's not that great for finger spins. And it's a little responsive right now, so I think I need to lube it actually. But... overall, I would probably give this yo-yo a big whopping 6 out of 10. I do like using it for like playing at home, but I would not use it in competitions. So that is what I would give this yo-yo. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.